Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you why does your Duolingo looks a bit weird. So as you can see, I'm using an emulator and I've installed Duolingo on it, and my Duo is looking a bit weird. So but this is not a big issue. So if your Duolingo is looking a bit weird like me, like this one, or something else, like it is a sick or something, it is freaked out or something like that, don't be concerned. So in Duolingo, you have to maintain a streak. So every day you have to take lessons. So if you stop taking lessons, it will change its icon itself. It will look sad, it will look freaked out, it will look angry. So it is a technique to catch the user's attention so that you can go in and start doing your language activities. So as you can see, I've started my Duolingo. So as I start doing my activities, your icon, if it is a weird icon, weird looking icon, will change to this normal looking duo, as you can see right here. So another thing, if you even after doing the activities, if your Duolingo duo bird is still looking weird, what you can do is you can go to your Play Store or App Store and look for any updates that Duolingo have. If there are any pending updates, update the app, so it should fix the issue. Also, you can try clearing cache, app cache here as well. So go to the app info and then go to clear cache and then clear the cache, so if the issue still persists. So that was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.